Okay, so here we go. What's poppin', people? It's your boy. God, I can't believe I just did that. But the good thing about doing a video is you don't embarrass yourself in real time, only when watching it back. But anyways, we're here to talk about Vinton Cerf, the very father of the thing I'm using right now. You guessed it.
The internet!
Sorry, I just had to throw an IT crowd reference in there. But, anyways, along with Robert Kahn, he created the architecture of the internet. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Vint Cerf, was born on June 23, 1943 in New Haven, Connecticut. As a kid, he did not have any role models people-wise, but said that books influenced him greatly, especially those focused on science. Education-wise, he was well educated. He received his Bachelor of Science from Stanford in 1965 and his MS and PhD in 1970 and 1972 from UCLA. While in high school, he worked on the Apollo project, writing statistical analysis programs for the engines. His first job after receiving his Bachelor of Science from Stanford was working at IBM as a systems engineer for 2 years. A challenge that he needed to overcome was the fact that he is hard of hearing. But now he has overcome that and is currently the chief internet evangelist for Google, which basically means he works on making internet more accessible, which can involve a lot of travel, as you may imagine. As mentioned earlier, his biggest contribution to computing was that he co-invented TCP/IP technology. This is very similar to the concept of net neutrality. Hey, that's still a recent topic, right? Anyways, back on track. During an interview with the Washington Post in 2014, he said he was working on interplanetary internet, which means he is working on getting internet into space. Now you can play Fortnite in space. I'll get some laughs out of that, right? Please? Please? Anyways. Something I found interesting was the fact that he worked on the Apollo project when in high school, which means he was only a teenager. I'm a teenager right now, and I don't even know how to code, and this man was working on putting rockets into space? That just blows my mind. Another fun fact that he has been quoted saying that sleep is a waste of time, so that's why I'm here, sitting in my room, recording this at 10:30 at night and probably looking terrible. But hey, sleep doesn't matter, right? At least I got this done, right? I got this done, right? Ha! Got you, didn't I? You thought I didn't finish. Or you could have possibly seen through my joke, in which case I look like a fool. But either way, I've been getting sidetracked. I guess this is done.